Merry Christmas, y'all. I know I'm going to upload this on Christmas Eve, but if you celebrate it, I'm going to go ahead and tell you Merry Christmas. For today's video, we're going to be doing Jim Carrey's Grinch. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I'm going to wing this. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just going to go along and see what happens. So hopefully it turns out right. But we'll see. Okay, we're going to be using liquid latex and cotton balls for this. And I'm going to go ahead and just put tissue paper around my eyebrows and like eyelash glue so I don't rip my eyebrows out. Take cotton latex and a wedge sponge, and I'm going to try to build up the Grinch's eyebrows. I don't really know how to describe what I'm doing, but I guess if you just watch, you'll kind of get the gist of it. We're going to put another layer here and then another layer here, so there'll be 3 on each side. And then we're gonna make his little nose. And again, I'm gonna wing it, so just watch how I do it. Okay, this is what we got for now. I probably will go back and redo the nose because I'm not liking how it turned out. So now we're gonna do like the cheeks and the bottom part. What I ended up with for the latex part. It's not perfect, but I can't really see the side of my head, so that's what we got. I'll let it dry. I'm going to paint it green, and then I'm going to put green hair on it. is my finished Grinch look. It's okay looking, I guess. But this has been my Grinch look. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on all my social media. Links are in my bio. And hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. Little reindeer helped our video today. This is Ginger. Isn't she cute? She's playing Max today. She's embarrassed.